Well, hey there, and happy Friday. It is chilly this morning. Temperatures are in the 30s. All of us are in the 30s. Hey, Alexander City, I see you're one of the colder spots at 31. Troy, you're not far behind at 33. The focus of this video should be this beautiful weekend coming up. The best weekend we've had in several weeks, but the focus of this video actually is about a storm system that's a little concerning early next week with a severe weather threat. So I want you to stick around for this video. There's some really good stuff here. Here comes your weather. All quiet out there this morning. Clear skies, a chilly start, temperatures in the 30s. Look at the eastern half of the nation is quiet. There's nothing going on. Ridge of high pressure from the Ohio Valley into the northern Gulf Coast. Sunny and nice today. I was tempted to print 59 for a high, but I'm going to stick to my guns. I'll say 60. We could get there. Low tonight 39, northwest winds at 48 miles per hour. We're looking ahead to tomorrow, and we're even warmer. I think we're well into the 60s with a southwesterly wind taking over, and near 70 on Sunday as the clouds increase late in the day, but the showers stay off to the northwest of us. Sunday's good, with high temperatures in the 60s North Alabama, 70s Southwest Alabama, and back into Mississippi, and 80s in Texas. How about 67 for a high on Saturday, 70 on Sunday, 72 on Monday with a 20% chance of showers, but still storm-free even on Monday. There, we're looking ahead to the Gulf Coast, and I may, right after breakfast, just get in the car and head down. Temperatures will be in the 60s for highs. The Gulf water temperature at 60 degrees. This is the last time I was in Gulf Shores. I'll be in Orange Beach. Okay, so let's talk about this storm system earlier next week, and the level of concern is a little higher than when I talked to you yesterday morning. We're not trying to scare anybody. We're just trying to give you a heads up for planning purposes, and we'll get into a little bit more detail. Just go with me this morning. Let's first look at the U.S. model. This is the GFS. 6 p.m. Tuesday night, the GFS has the strong storms knocking on our door from Mississippi and moving in through the overnight hours Tuesday. That's one global model. So the other global model is the European, which is about 6 hours slower. There's midnight. Boy, that looks pretty active at midnight across northwest and west central Alabama, moving across the state in the overnight hours. Now, the Storm Prediction Center on their Day 5 outlook. This is a little concerning. They've moved the severe risk a little bit farther to the east now, all but southeast Alabama under the risk, and a much higher risk, the 30% risk on Day 5 across northwest Alabama, portions of Mississippi and Tennessee. So that is certainly concerning and something we'll watch each day as we get closer and closer to this event. Now, there are two available things you look at. This is CAPE, Convective Available Potential Energy, and that's instability. Instability will be there. What about the other factor? The other factor would be the spin, the bulk shear, the directional shear with altitude, and that will be there too. That means there will be a tornado threat as well. So we'll be watching all of that. All right, now let's compare the models. This is always very popular on these videos. The European now for the next 10 days, spring-like warmth through the middle of next week. The blue bars at the bottom shows the storm system Tuesday night, then much colder Thursday through Saturday with freezing temperatures on Friday and Saturday morning. So that's one of the global models out 10 days. Here's the American model out 16 days, showing the warm-up through midweek again through Tuesday, and then much colder Thursday through Saturday with freezing temperatures for about 3 mornings on the GFS. Now, what about the space station flyover Sunday night? I was telling you about that yesterday. I'm still worried about some high clouds streaming in Sunday night, so very iffy on whether we're going to be able to see the space station Sunday night, but I'll keep you up to date, okay? Well, I hope you have a great weekend. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. There will be no video tomorrow on Saturday, but there will be weather posts, especially about that storm system. And there will be a special Sunday morning video by mid-morning about that weather post. I'll be speaking to you from Orange Beach on Sunday and Monday morning, and then head back here to be in the saddle for severe weather on Tuesday, okay? Enjoy the weekend weather. It's going to be great. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.